Going from that many numbers of patients with COVID to 0 and now 1 is a really good feeling. It's definitely something that I reached out to all of my family and friends about.
They have done nothing but work so hard throughout the pandemic that I think that right now it's just a big sigh of relief for them to be able to see that all their hard work has paid off. There's just so much to be proud of right now.
We were hoping for so long to get to 0, and I think we were hoping for it to be sooner. It was so emotional getting to here and looking back to where we've been.
One of the things that I said is that if anybody could figure this out, rush nurses can and will.
Because everybody kind of turns to us as the nurses here as almost like a benchmark of how COVID is doing overall.
You guys are incredibly resilient. I think that's a piece that has always kept you guys together.
I came from a different hospital in the fall, and I felt like pretty alone. I was on the COVID unit, and it was just like a really scary environment. And then when I came here, I felt a lot more teamwork. I felt very cared for, night and day compared to where I came from. So
when I came back after my maternity leave, I was just very impressed with my colleagues. Just hearing everything that they went through because of the staff. I've been a nurse here for 6+ years, a nursing assistant on the same unit before that. My unit management and the nurses that I work with are the reason that I came back.
Catherine and I actually had a joint experience a little bit. We had a patient towards the end of this COVID pandemic who had been here for so long. We broke him out to the roof to get some fresh sunshine, and he got to go home with his family after a while, but that was so cool, like just to be that person for them.
As hard as it is, I think that we all stay around because of the nurses and our leadership. So thank you.
Seeing it, people remember, the care that they received and those feelings because we felt them too. And I still see faces in my mind. I think for these patients who have, had good experience, come out on the other end and be able to then, remember us and send that, it's a really good feeling and brought me a little close to tears earlier.
Anybody who has COVID and has to be in the hospital, their best chance is being here.
This is something that you have as a badge, as a recognition for the work that you've done that will last forever. So thanks again for everything that you've done.